In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video into a cartoon in CapCut step by step using CapCut PC. This is a super easy way to give your videos a fun animated look, whether you want a comic style, anime style, sketch effect, or just a more creative edited feel. If you create content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just want to make your videos stand out, this is a simple effect that can completely change the vibe of your footage. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project started, simply launch it and get ready to work in the editing timeline. If you don't have one yet, create a new project so you can begin from scratch. Once your project is open, the next step is to import your video. You can usually do this by clicking the import option and selecting the video file from your computer. After that, drag your video down onto the timeline so it becomes part of your edit. This is important because the effects will only be applied once the clip is placed on the timeline. Now click on the video clip so it's selected. You want to make sure the correct clip is highlighted before adding any effects because that tells CapCut exactly which video you want to edit. With the clip selected, look at the top panel and click Effects. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its visual filters and creative styles. Once the effects panel opens, use the search bar and type in terms like cartoon, comic, anime, or sketch. These keywords will help you quickly find the type of look you want without scrolling through everything manually. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, you may see several different effect options, so feel free to test a few and see which one gives you the best cartoon style result. After you find an effect you like, drag the effect onto your video. As soon as you drop it on the clip, CapCut will apply the visual style and you should see the cartoon-like transformation right away. If the effect is too strong or not the exact look you want, you can try a different one until you get the result that fits your content. You can also zoom in on the timeline and check how the effect looks across the whole video to make sure it stays consistent from start to finish. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can turn a normal video into a cartoon-style edit in CapCut PC without needing advanced editing skills. This is a great trick for making your videos more eye-catching, more entertaining, and a lot more creative. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.